Alright, I want to take a second to show you AIRSTIK 2-in-1 keychain. You can see it's compact, have it on your keychain. Now it comes with a key ring, leather tab, and the keychain itself. All you gotta do is unmagnetize it. It's got a nice magnet closure. Undo it, take it off, and now you've got two options. You can use your lightning side or your micro USB side. See, that's your micro USB and your lightning side. To demonstrate, I've got my AIRSTIK power bank here. Let's power this up. Now you want to put side down, and with the lightning it'll only work one side, so if it doesn't charge, just flip it over, right? So I'm going to try it. I believe this is the right side. Yeah, so it'll plug in both sides, but it'll only work one way because the connections are only on one side. So you have to make sure that that's on the right side, and you'll get power. Also, take the same cord and charge all your micro USB. So anything that's a micro USB, plug that in. So for example, go ahead and plug this in here, and I've got a headset. So if it doesn't go in one way, flip it over. There you go. There's the power cord. Power. So there you go. If it doesn't work, just try to flip it over and it'll power up. It's the packaging it comes in. Included in each one, you're going to get just a keychain and a leather tab. Thanks for your support. Please email me with any questions.